Saving money when you're struggling to make ends meet feels like an impossible task. How can you put money aside when you're barely scraping by? But here's the truth. It's not about how much you earn. It's about how you manage what you have. I get it. I've been in your shoes. Back in the day, I was working hard, but my income was modest at best. Every month felt like a financial tightrope walk, trying to balance bills, expenses, and the occasional treat. It wasn't until I started treating my personal finances like a business that everything changed. I discovered that no matter how tight the budget, saving money is possible. It's not about magic. It's about mindset, discipline, and smart strategies. And today, I'm sharing those strategies with you. Why saving money is paramount, especially when times are tough. Saving money is your financial safety net. It's your buffer between unexpected expenses and financial ruin. Imagine your car suddenly breaks down or medical bills come due. Having savings can be the difference between managing through these hardships or falling into debt. Debt can trap you in a cycle of high interest payments, making it harder to save and putting you further behind. Plus, saving money allows you to seize opportunities. Maybe a better job, a lower cost apartment, or a chance to advance your education comes along. With savings, you can take advantage of it without adding more debt. Now let's look at some strategies to help you get started. Track every dollar. To understand where your money is going, it's essential to track your spending. Use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or good old notebook to monitor your expenses for at least a month. Categorize your spending, needs, wants, etc., and be honest with yourself. This isn't about judgment, it's about clarity. Once you see where your money is flowing, you can identify areas to cut back and redirect that money towards savings. Prioritize needs over wants. When you have limited income, prioritize your needs over your wants. Needs are essentials like rent, utilities, and food. Wants include things like subscription services, dining out, and non-essential shopping. By focusing on needs first, you ensure that your basic requirements are met before allocating any money to wants. However, don't completely deprive yourself. A small, well-planned treat now and then can prevent burnout. It's all about balance. Reduce fixed costs. Regularly review your fixed costs, which include expenses like rent, loan payments, and insurance premiums. Look for ways to reduce these costs without sacrificing quality. Negotiate with service providers, shop around for better deals, and consider alternatives that offer the same value at a lower price. Every dollar saved is a dollar closer to your financial goals. Automate your savings. Automation can significantly boost your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account as soon as you get paid. Even if it's just a small amount, consistency is key. Treat this as a non-negotiable expense like paying a bill. Out of sight, out of mind. Control food spending. Food is often a major expense. To control this cost, plan ahead. Meal prep, cook at home, and avoid frequent takeout or delivery. Buying groceries in bulk for non-perishable items can also lead to significant savings. These strategies not only help you save money, but they also promote healthier eating habits. Increase income, even slightly. Look for ways to increase your income, no matter how small. This could mean picking up a side hustle, freelancing, selling items you no longer need, or taking on extra shifts at work. Every additional dollar earned brings you closer to your savings goal and provides more opportunities to save. Build a small emergency fund first. Before aiming for long-term savings goals, start with a small emergency fund. Aim to save at least $100 initially. Having this buffer can prevent you from dipping into your savings for minor unexpected expenses. As your emergency fund grows, set new savings goals to keep your financial security on track. Now let's delve into some frequently asked questions that might pop up on your savings journey. Can I save money if I have debt? Yes. While it's important to tackle debt, it's equally vital to have some savings. Aim to save a small amount each month while making minimum debt payments. As your debt decreases, you can allocate more towards savings. How much should I be saving? There's no magic number. Start with whatever you can. Even $5 a week is a great beginning. Gradually increase this amount as your budget allows. Remember, consistency is crucial. I don't have any extra money. Look closely at your expenses. Are there areas where you can cut back? Can you reduce your utility usage, find cheaper alternatives, or temporarily pause non-essential spending? Every little bit counts. How do I stay motivated to save? Set clear financial goals, whether it's a specific amount or a timeline. Visualize what you're saving for and celebrate your milestones. Every step you take, no matter how small, is progress. But it's not just about numbers. Saving money is about empowerment. It gives you the ability to handle life's curveballs without going into debt. It's about having choices, not just getting by. With discipline and the right strategies, you can achieve your saving goals. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with just one step. So start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. If this advice resonates with you, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from it. In the comments, tell us what's your best tip for saving money. Let's support each other on this financial journey. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep striving towards your financial goals.